So today we are going to draw trigonometry table. In the trigonometry table, we see some angles 0 degree, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree, and last one is 90 degree. We have ratio sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. So to draw it, we see something in the trigonometry that totally based on the right triangle. This is our right triangle, this is our theta, okay, and in front of theta, that is opposite. The diagonal side is always hypotenuse and the remaining side is adjacent. So our formula is OAO by HHA. So this first part is about the, let's divide them. This is sine, this is cos, this is for tan. Now it's the opposite cot, cos opposite sec, and cosec, sine opposite is cosec. This is the way. Okay. So let's write a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide each number by 4. We do not have to want decimal value. We just want to fraction value. So this is become 1 by 2. We divide 2 divided by 2 and 4. This will become 3 divided by 4 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Let's take the square root of every number. So the value is 0. Let me just scroll it. This is become 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 3 by 4. So it's become root 3 by 2. And this will become 1. So these all values are the sine values. Sine 0 is become 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by square root 2. This is root 3 by 2. And this is 1. Now there is a trick to make this thing next table. What we have to do, we have to reverse. Okay, so here we have to write reverse order. So this is become 1. Okay, one last one comes in the first place. This is become 3 root 3 by 2. Second last become second place. Third become at the third place. And this will become 1 by 2. This will become 0. This is the all cost value from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Now next one is 10. The 10 is tan theta is always sine theta by cos theta. Okay, so sine theta, let's take the first part value 0 divided by 1. Sine theta is value 0 and cos theta value 1. So 0 by 1 is become 0. Next value 1 by 2 divided by 1 by root 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So this value will simplify. We simplify this one. So this is 1 by 2 times 2 by root 3. Okay, the denominator value reciprocal. So this divide by this one. The answer is 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3. That is 0. Okay, next is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Same value divide, that become 1. This one is when you divide, this one root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So that is root 3 by 2 times 2 by 1. The answer is, this one cancel out, the answer is root 3, square root 3. And this is 1 divided by 0 is infinite or error, or you can just say undefined. Now the same way tan and cot are reversed to each other. Okay, so we reverse both the value. So this is undefined, the last one, then is root 3, this is 1, this is 1 by square root 3, this is 0. Okay, our cot is finished. Now sec value is just 1 upon the cos value. Sec is equal to sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So you can say that the value will be reciprocal. Okay, so 1 by 1, 1. The cos value root 3 by 2, that become 2 by root 3. Okay, the value 1 by root 2, that become root 2 by 1. So we can just say root 2. 1 by 2 is become 2 by 1. We can say 2. 0 is 1 by 0, that is undefined. Okay, undefined. So this is the value. I just reciprocal the cos value. 1 become 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 become 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 become root 2. 1 by 2 is become 2 by 1. So this is 2. And this is last one undefined. The same way we reverse the value. So the last one become first place undefined. Then 2. This one. Then square root 2. Then 2 by square root 3. And this is 1. So this is our final complete table for our understanding purpose. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Have a good day.